Mom, you haven't seen my phone up here? My wallet? Anybody see my wallet? The rainbow wallet?
Quiet.
Should be on the door.
That charger is broken. Good thing I could pull that.
Ain't no coat.
Who has a black charger? The black iPhone charger?
Give me a cigarette.
No.
Come on, gang. Let's do one set.
No.
Oh, but I could give you all the tenders and buffalo wings and everything. I can get a sip.
And what did you tell Mommy last night?
It was too late. I called, you know, I shot Liz Brian, be outside.
And no, look, they all went out without me waiting for. They thought I was fast asleep and waited to
I
go
said you
outside.
can't have drinks.
Okay, Brian, that's mine.
I'm picking a quick sky. What's the sky?
Gosh. I'm on my period and that's all I could afford. Don't put your mouth on it.
Why you always say you on your period?
Because I am. I'm on the rag and it's just drinking out of my stuff.
So nobody see my wallet?
No.
I love you, swear.
I will see you later.
Am
Brittany's
I-
waiting on you.
No, she's not.
Yes, she is. Is she not
She's
going?
getting dressed. She's not waiting on me.
So is she going with you? Don't leave
If
her.
she's getting dressed, what do you think she's doing?
Right now. That's how
Bye,
Brittany goes
Shayla.
out in public.
Don't do that.
Shut up, Brian. That's what I'm trying to. Business casual attire is my Christmas
That's my
list.
favorite.
Business
Oh,
attire.
there you go. What, you about to get out there?
Yeah, I'm trying to get out there, Mom.
Yeah, I remember that. You got it. Jeremy,
Yeah.
are you going to shopping later?
Yeah, I am going Christmas shopping. Probably like about
Right now?
1, yeah. No, not right now. Oh, actually, I don't know. Oh,
What? What?
I'm probably going a little. Don't think I go cash a check and stuff. I got still. I want to get a couple. It's actually. I actually need to make another stop at Walgreens because there's one specific gift I gotta get from there. It's cold out today.
Mom.
It was cold that night.
Mommy. Mom, where's my notebook that was on the table before I left?
I don't know, Elisa. I don't know. I didn't have any
Where it
notebook.
is. The blue notebook that was on the table.
Check underneath the table. I can't make stuff on the
I'm
table.
scared of this phone. It gaily takes pictures while recording. Shanti, hello? You can give me another one of these. I don't care if it is an Android. This phone is off the hook. It takes pictures like while it records, which none of my, I don't even think my Samsung did that.
Yeah, and iPhones do that.
Yeah, iPhones do that. Exactly. You know how bad I be wanting to do that?
Okay, look
So I can do a thumbnail on Canva. They're going Christmas shopping.
Can I go, Brittany?
Can I go?
Elisa, just catch them.
I'd rather you go with us. I don't got time for the boat.
Where do you want me to
They're going Christmas shopping.
Ma, I have so much. When you're done, can you put the tissue away? Just sitting on the floor. Okay.
No, I put it. Yeah. Here, let's put it in the bathroom somewhere. You could stack up all 4 rows in there. Alright.
I'm still going on budget. So I'm gonna have to go to Dollar Tree if I go.
TJ Maxx. Too. This time the G's full grown. Ah!
Like you said, Walgreens and CVS.
Exactly.
I specifically have some things that I wanted to go at Dollar Tree.
That you have right in mind. That same old budge.